In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a very important logo that all short-term rental hosts must have on their website if they want to dramatically increase the conversion rates of their bookings. Now, IPAC is a company that I am an ambassador for, but I do it because I believe in it so much and I have seen the difference it has made to my business. IPAC in the main is a global certification for short-term rental hosts to prove that they are trusted professionals and that guests can confidently book with that host and get the stay and the experience that they were expecting. But more at the point, actually arrive to a property that exists. Because unfortunately, like every other industry in the world, there are scammers and criminals that are infiltrating our Airbnb game and using our listings to take money off guests and supply no property at the end. IPAC gets around this and gives the confidence back to the consumer that they can book with you. So that's why you need to be doing it. But it increases your conversion rates. Since putting the IPAC accreditation on our website, we have seen our bookings go through the roof. We have seen our direct booking website take more bookings in the last 18 months since being registered with IPAC than we did previously. It is a game changer. Now, not everybody can get registered with IPAC. There is a certification process that you have to go through, an application process that you have to tick various boxes. You've got to be trading for a certain period of time, but you do need to open the inquiry with them and go through the process, because the minute you get this badge, you can put it everywhere. And as a spin-off effect to this, especially if you're in the rent-to-rent or rental arbitrage game, when landlords see that you're IPAC certified, that you are a professional short-term rental operator, they also have more confidence in renting you their property. It makes your acquisition a lot easier. It makes that game become simpler. You convert more, you get more properties, you increase your cash flow. IPAC is doing wonders for the short-term rental game. I don't know how many tens of thousands of members they've already got, but they are worldwide, and it is starting to become a big certification that all short-term rental hosts need. And quite soon, if you have not got it, you will not be trusted by guests. Why do you think you take bookings from guests and then you see that they book again the week after on Airbnb, again the week after on Airbnb, even though you're texting them saying, please come and book with me direct, I'll give you a better deal? Sometimes it's not about the money, it's about the trust. The trust brand marketing, something that I do a lot of with my business, something that IPAC do very well, is we need to get the guest to trust us. When they trust us, they will be happy putting payment details into our website. If you have a website that has no trust signals, then why would they want to put their card details into a website that they do not trust? The reason they go back to Airbnb, Booking.com, etc. is because they trust them. Time and time again, they trust the websites that they're booking on. They trust that their card details are not going to get defrauded, and they trust that there will be a property at the end of the line. Now, it's actually not true, because there are actually scam properties on Airbnb, but the perception is there from the host that they must be trusted because they're big, they've got plenty of properties, they've been around for a while, all that sort of stuff. So then you've got little old you and me, who are much smaller than Airbnb. Why should they trust us? They don't know us. Yes, they might stay in our property once, but they don't really know us as a business. So everything we do has to be around this trust brand marketing. And IPAC is the easiest way to do it, or at least to get it started. It gives you that official rubber stamp accreditation, and then you can talk about it in everything that you're doing. You talk about it in your social media marketing, your LinkedIn marketing, you talk about it in your email marketing to your guests, you talk about it in your email marketing to your potential landlords or your potential sellers. You know, there's so many different ways, but as a business, you have to be delivering this trust message all the time if you want to start converting more and leveling your game up. Not enough people focus on this. Not enough people in business focus on trust brand marketing. They're quite happy to just tell everyone about their products, tell everyone about the features and benefits, but they don't deliver any trust into that. Why should people trust you? Doesn't matter. You can have the best service in the world, but if no one trusts you, then they aren't going to engage with that. They're not going to buy into it. Trust brand marketing is something you have to get around your head, and you have to do it soon. Head over to iPAC.com, get yourself registered, start your application, and get that stamp on your website sooner rather than later. If you are enjoying this service accommodation series, we are coming near to an end of it. It's been 30 amazing days. We're not finished just yet, so make sure you subscribe to catch the last few videos. But we have some awesome stuff planned for after this series. So again, make sure you subscribe so you get the notifications when those videos go live.